Upgrade your blending game with the Oster Pro 1200 Plus blender. Experience the versatility and powerful performance of this remarkable appliance. From ice to greens, frozen ingredients to more, its impressive motor effortlessly blends it all. With an extra boost of 1200 power watts, it delivers the perfect consistency you need. No more guesswork. The smart settings are programmed to blend smoothies, salsas, and milkshakes with just one touch. Say goodbye to clunky blending. The wide base allows ingredients to flow freely down to the blade, while the dual direction technology optimizes the Crush Pro 6 blade's power. Ready to blend all types of foods flawlessly. Get yours now and enjoy the ultimate convenience of blending. Upgrade to the Oster Pro 1200 Plus blender today. Here are the key features of Oster Blender Pro 1200 with glass jar, 24-ounce smoothie cup. Smart settings for effortless blending. Say goodbye to manual adjustments and guesswork. The Oster Pro 1200 Plus blender features smart settings technology and 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed settings for the most common blender creations. This intelligent system ensures that you achieve the perfect consistency for your smoothies, salsas, and milkshakes with just one touch. Enjoy the convenience of precise blending without the hassle. Dual direction blade technology for optimal results. Experience the power of dual direction blade technology. The Oster Pro 1200 Plus blender's Crush Pro 6 blade operates in both forward and reverse motion, optimizing its blending power to chop, grind, and blend all types of foods with precision. Combined with the extra wide 3.5 inches blade system, ingredients flow down into the blades easier, resulting in faster and smoother blending results. Achieve the perfect texture every time with this innovative blending technology. Powerful motor for ultimate performance. The Oster Pro 1200 Plus blender boasts a powerful 1200 power watts and 900 watts of ice crushing power. This impressive motor can handle even the toughest ingredients, allowing you to blend through ice, frozen fruits, and greens effortlessly. Experience the satisfaction of perfectly blended creations with the performance-driven Oster Pro 1200 Plus blender. Durable and convenient design. The 6-cup Boraclass glass jar of the Oster Pro 1200 Plus blender is dishwasher safe and can withstand thermal shock, ensuring durability and easy cleanup. The Pulse feature provides added control and precision for your blending needs. With a 50% larger blade system compared to previous Oster blender models, you can achieve faster and more efficient blending results. Rest assured with the Oster 10-year Duralast All-Metal Drive Limited Warranty, guaranteeing lasting durability for years to come. Plus, the blender comes with an extra large capacity 24-ounce smoothie cup for on-the-go convenience. Conclusion: the Oster Pro 1200 Plus blender is the ultimate blending companion for anyone seeking versatility, performance, and convenience in the kitchen. Its smart settings technology, dual direction blade technology, and powerful motor make it a standout appliance for achieving perfectly blended results. With its durable design, easy cleanup, and added control features, this blender is built to last and elevate your blending experience. Unleash your creativity and enjoy the taste of fresh and delicious creations with the Oster Pro 1200 Plus blender.